Do you have a number plate light bar holder that when you have spotlights on, or a LED light bar, that when you go over bumps it bounces around? I'm going to show you how I overcame this issue. It's a pretty simple fix, and you might be able to apply this to other things that you have. Let's have a look. So these are my spotlights that I have on the light bar holder, and all I did to stop that violent shaking was I got a cable tie and I wrapped it around here. And what I've done is there's a upright bar that's in the middle at the back, and because it doesn't move anywhere and it doesn't have of the body, it's really reduced the amount of bouncing that's caused the light, because it holds the lights back and they don't sag down as much and they don't exactly bounce back. So this is a really simple fix. You might be able to find an area on your car that you can mount to that doesn't move. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.